Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing way so you can build your credit with your peace of mind. It doesn't matter that your credit is just 101, which is not even a worst case scenario, no one have it. So the minimum is actually 301 until 850. It doesn't matter whatever your credit score is, you are still gonna get approved for this credit card. But what is this credit card all about, and why I'm emphasizing that this credit card is really important for you to build your credit? So I will get into this in a bit, but before that I would like to tell you that right after this video I'm going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $2,000 master credit card with no credit check. So in order to watch that video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video. Thank you so much, and without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. You must be thinking why I'm seeing these logos right here: AT&T, Amazon Prime, Hulu, Netflix, and others. So let me tell you what it is. So the thing is, this Mastercard is actually designed for you to build your credit in a way that I was so shocked when I came across this. So what they exactly do, let me just click on it. So what they exactly do, you need to set up a free account with them. Let me just tell you, they have 3 ways to create an account, and I will tell you all 3 of them step by step. So the first one is exactly, it's a free account that they have, and what you do when you actually set up an account with them, they approve you for a certain credit limit. And what I mean by that, I will just go into that in the 3rd step. But first, all you need to do, you just need to apply for it, and they will send you a Mastercard known as Grow Credit Mastercard. And the next step is, what you need to do, you need to add your subscriptions in it. So right now they offer various subscriptions, as you can see. It's just even you can also add your cell phone bill, so it will really help you to build your credit. But why it's going to build your credit? And the next thing is, when you add your subscription, what they do exactly, they deduct it from your credit card. So all you need to do, you need to just pay only one amount. And what they do, it seems like you are not just paying for those subscription, but you are actually paying for a credit card, and they report to the credit bureaus, and then your credit will increase. So just think about it like this: what you're doing, that you are using your credit card, and then at the end of the month you're paying it. But how it happens, what they do exactly, they have 0 APR, and in their free account they have $15 spending limit. But let me just go straight into this plans that they have. The first one is exactly build membership, and they give you $15 monthly spending limit. That's guaranteed, no credit check. It's just a soft pull, and just to do that formality, but they will approve you. It doesn't matter what your credit is. So, and then they give you free FICO score, and of course the plan duration is 12 months. So in this plan you can only add probably Netflix, that is like $11, $12 subscription, and then of course you won't be able to do anything. The next one is actually their Grow membership. They actually give you the spending limit of $50 in your credit card, so you can add multiple subscriptions, but it does have a fee of $4.99 per month. And then at the same time you can get access to the premium subscriptions, including a 12-month renewable plan, free FICO score, and of course they review your account periodically every 2 months, and they increase your credit limit. The third one is Accelerate program. In this one you have $150. So it means that in this one you can add your cell phone bill, all of your subscriptions at one place, and then you won't have to worry about anything. It does have a fee of $9.99, but I don't mind paying it, because a lot of times what happens though, if I have subscribed myself for some service, for example a gym service, I don't even aware about it, and I get charged every month for it. So I would like to have something where it will just not put all of my subscription at one place, but also will build my credit. So what they do exactly, they put all of your subscription in one credit card, and then you pay only one-time fee, and then you pay only the subscription and they consider it as a credit card payment, then they report it to the credit bureaus, and then your score will increase. And this is what I really like about it. I'm not going to stretch this video a lot. It is really straightforward and it is really precise. So the thing is, without wasting any time, I would like to tell you that right after this video I am going to upload another video for a $2,000 credit card you can get with no credit check and guaranteed approval. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video, which will really help you to get your utilization rate go low and will also help you to get access to higher credit limit. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.